The Jasmy blockchain PC is now available in Indonesia. Jasmy fam, we have dived into it. We saw how the CEO of Avida had the interview with someone from India, right? And I'm telling you guys, Jasmy just keeps building and working, man. Right now the market is in just terrible conditions all over. Every project is feeling it right now. Because of the Israel and Palestine conflict, right? But what's great about the Jasmy team is that they keep developing, man. They keep doing things to for the success and vision of their project. Jasmy fam, if you're tuning in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Let's take over the space together. We're going to dive into this article from Hara, Avida blockchain now available in Indonesia, right? World's most secure laptop powered by blockchain technology. Be secured, be productive anywhere, anytime. Avida Technologies International Company Limited is pleased to announce the introduction of the world's first blockchain PC to the Indonesian market with the launch of the latest Satus and Pura A Plus series of laptops. Massive news! Jasmy fam, this is great, man. Further to release in Hong Kong and Singapore earlier this year, Indonesia joined the ranks as a significant milestone on our global expansion journey. Slated as the world's most secure laptop, running on Windows OS platform, Avida blockchain PC addresses cybersecurity and personal data protection concerns, giving customers the peace of mind with unhackable blockchain-powered encryption. Blockchain technology uses cryptography to secure data. It makes data immutable and unhackable as to eliminate the possibility of data loss. Data is stored across multiple nodes in a decentralized network. Blockchain technology ensures that data is secure, immutable, and easily accessible. It revolutionizes the way we store and manage data. Thanks to the secure PC of Jasmy, guys. I'm telling you, I will not fade this. 3 key features of the Avida blockchain PC is equipped with several key features that provide advanced privacy security for your personal data, including the secure data locker. The PDL is built right in. PC operation status viewer, PC functions management tool. The PC provides a virtual drive that ensures maximum privacy and security for your data. Secondly, the PC operation status viewer allows for users to monitor their PC's activity and manage their business operations in real time. Easy to read graphics and essential metrics available at your fingertips. The characteristics of Avida blockchain PC: secure, efficient, worry-free. The internet has revolutionized our lives. In everyday lives, things and people are connected via the internet. We have shifted to diverse working style, especially after the pandemic. Remote working has become the norm, which we've spoken about in the past in previous videos. With everything connected to the internet, privacy is the key. Privacy concern is the key. Jasmy has been, they know what's coming, man, and that's why they've built such a great technology. Whether it is personal or corporate use, protecting the privacy to avoid data leakage is essential. Avida blockchain PC enables you to visualize and optimize your PC's activity performance, stay focused on your tasks, and increase productivity. And also anonymize log data, which securely stored in their consortium type blockchain. This ensures that your data is always protected and kept secure. Target users of the Avida blockchain PC. They range from a number of different features that make ideal choice for users. Require very high level protection, working files to prevent accidental leakage or unauthorized access. PC leverages the characteristics of blockchain technology to ensure maximum security. This is particularly useful for users who often work remotely and need to minimize the chance of data leakage, even when their laptop is nearby or is lost. You guys see how great their products are built, And this is why I mentioned like previous companies. This is how, like, okay, I see crypto as like the baby phase of the stock market. People had already made their huge amount of money from the stock market. Crypto is that new sector, right? And it's still in its baby steps. So there's going to be emerging companies, emerging startups like Jasmy that is working on products, working on developing something that everyday users can make, take control of, right? And we see, for example, Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Meta, all of these companies started small, started with just a vision and an idea. And as the years went by, the more users that came into the ecosystem, look at how massive the projects became, right? It's the same thing here with crypto. It's the same thing here with Jasmy. The team has a vision. They're developing and building something for everyday use. And once that goal is achieved, we will see crazy capitalizations for projects like Jasmy. The rise of Web3. Web3 represents the latest innovation, evolution of the internet, characterized by a decentralized open source platform that enables secure peer-to-peer interactions. Web3 offers a range of benefits compared to traditional Web 2.0 platforms due to its decentralized architecture and use of blockchain technology. So with Web3, we see how Web3 is changing, how all of these things are taking place. The Jasmy Secure PC is created for the change that is eventually happening to the world as we know it. With the vision of transforming the company into an innovative IT and IoT solution, fintech service provider under the trend of Web3, blockchain technology, and cryptocurrency applications, the Avida Blockchain PC is designed for the seamless mobile laptop experience to provide a smooth and convenient mobile computing experience, ensuring users can take their laptops in a secure, comfortable setting anywhere with the benefits of blockchain technology. The Jasmy Secure PCs are now available in Indonesia. Big news for Jasmy. And we have right here from Dr. Jasmy. Didn't know, right? But we're gonna dive into it in a video. He is an OG Doge investor. He's one of those people that bought Doge when it was like less than pennies, right? And now he's seen the same for Jasmy. Jasmy fam, here's the 20 to 21 installment of the Doge bull run compared to where we are today with Jasmy. Doge did a 327x from the lows, from 0.0226 to 74 cents. What does a similar move for Jasmy look like? Our December low of 0.027 times 327 puts us at a $1 Jasmy. Check it out here. So when I'm showing you guys TA from people that say a $1 Jasmy is possible, I'm just looking at the TA, man. I'm looking at people who's been in the space longer than I have, that has been doing TA for a while. And as you guys can see, look at what Doge did. Had a huge run up. Look at that. Like overall, man, like when in doubt, zoom out, man. Really, when in doubt, zoom out. Doge sitting at like crazy lows, had a huge run up, then retrace all the way back down to 2 cent. Well, not even 2 cent, less than 2.0023, 2/10 of a cent, right? And then huge massive run up all the way to 74 cent, right? I'm sure all the people in Doge right here, when it reached after this pump, they was like, oh yeah, Doge is a pump and dump, it's over. It's over. That's what they were thinking. Oh yeah, people that bought the top, right, bought up here back in Doge in July 2020. They was like, man, Doge is a pump and dump, it's over, it's a rug pull. Oh yeah, I should have never bought this meme coin. And then bang. The people that DCA'd and accumulated down here, the people that bought the fear, bang, huge move, changed their lives forever, man. And we remember that, how it ran up, you know. I remember when so many people were talking about it, man. And it's the same thing. This is Jasmy doing the same thing. December, 3/10 of a penny, right? And when it does make that run like a Doge, you could see a $1 Jasmy. And he has a thread, right? Dr. Jasmy has a thread of when he went through the whole thing with Doge, when he bought it, etc. You know, and this is why you gotta buy the dip, you gotta buy the fear, you gotta buy when people are saying it's over, it's done, the project is over. That's when you gotta buy, man. I'm telling you. Like, look at, I gotta go back to it one more time. Look at what Doge was doing back here in early July. Huge pump and dump. People like, oh yeah, Doge is over. It's over. Oh yeah, it's a pump and dump down here, right? It's over. It's a scam. It's a scam. Team is selling. And then boom, massive run. That's what bull markets do, man. That's what bull markets do. And people will be shocked when the bull market happens, man. From Kareem, Avida blockchain PC available now in Indonesia, world's most secure laptop powered by blockchain technology. How the Jasmy team is just spreading their technology and spreading the message of the company, the awareness of the company worldwide is absolutely amazing to see. Jasmy's pretty much taking over Indonesia, guys, and that is bullish. Let me get your thoughts down below. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with your friends and family. Got a lot more to cover. I keep updating you guys, Jasmy fam. Don't fear and panic about what's happening in the market. This is a black swan event with the conflict, the war that just broke out. But trust me, crypto is gonna come back, and it's gonna always come back bigger than it did the last time. So make sure you dollar cost average, get a bag that you're happy with. You know, obviously not financial advice. Get a bag of Jasmy that you're happy with, and just be patient going into the next bull cycle. Store your crypto away in a cold storage, obviously. Store it away in cold storage. Don't keep it on exchanges. And just be patient, man. That's all you gotta do. That's all it really takes to win in this space. Thank y'all so much again once again for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.